In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up custom domain in Vercel. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to enter, and how to connect your domain so your site is reachable at a clean, memorable URL. First, open Vercel and head to the project you want to configure. You'll land on the project dashboard. From here, make sure you're on the Overview tab. This is the home base for your project and the quickest way to reach all key settings. Next, open the domain section. This is where you manage everything related to custom URLs for your project, adding new domains, assigning them to environments, and configuring redirects. If this is your first time here, don't worry. It's a straightforward flow. Click Add Domain. A modal will appear prompting you to enter the domain you want to use. Type your custom domain exactly as you want it to appear, whether that's the root domain or a specific subdomain. For example, you might choose a subdomain if you want a staging or doc site separate from your main domain. Make sure you own the domain and have access to its DNS settings if it's not managed by Vercel. After entering the domain, choose which environment to connect it to. This is important. Production is typically for your live site, while preview or another environment can be used for testing or staging builds. Assigning the domain to the right environment keeps your workflow organized and ensures traffic goes to the correct version of your app. You'll also see an option to redirect to another domain. Turn this on only if the domain you're adding should forward traffic to a different domain. This is useful for consolidating multiple domains into one primary address or capturing common misspellings. If your goal is to serve your site directly from this domain, leave this off. When everything looks good, click Save. Vercel will create the necessary configuration and, if applicable, guide you on any DNS records you may need to add with your domain provider. If your domain is already managed through Vercel, much of this is handled for you automatically. Keep in mind that DNS changes can take a little time to propagate. That's normal. You can check back in the domain section to see verification status and any pending instructions. That's it. You've added your custom domain, connected it to the right environment, and decided whether it should redirect elsewhere. If you ever need to adjust the setup, return to the domain section of your project to edit or remove entries. Thanks for watching and happy deploying.